If you've got a Resin 3D printer and you're struggling to get parts off your build plate, I've got a great tip for you. Here's a print of a cell phone I needed for a project, and you can see I printed it right on the build plate without any supports. First, you want to clean all the resin off your build plate and print as best you can. I use super strength mean green in a spray bottle and spray down my print and build plate and then wipe it down with a paper towel. Next, I bring it over to my freezer where I have a nice big open empty spot and I place it in there. You can put a cookie sheet down or use a Tupperware container and set this inside that in the freezer first to prevent resin from getting anywhere. Let it sit in there for about 8 to 15 minutes and then pull it out. Take this out of here. Set my camera up so you can see what I'm doing. Here's my camera holder. So here you go. Very cold to the hands. Maybe be able to just pull this off. Oh, have to do a little bit of peeling. And there it goes. It's that simple. So sometimes if they don't come off too easily, it's just a matter of leaving it in the freezer a little bit longer. But that's how easily that comes off. And you don't want to put it back in the printer and use it right away until it warms up again. Sometimes I use my hair dryer to warm it up a little bit faster. But that's the whole tip. This has worked so well for me that I've had prints where I've used supports and the print fell off the plate as I was taking it out of the freezer. If you don't like the idea of putting this in your freezer, or your freezer is not big enough, you can always buy a cooler that's big enough for your build plate and prints and use some freezer packs or ice and throw it in the cooler with your prints when you're ready to remove one. If you found this useful and would like to see more videos like this, my PayPal's below. Whatever you choose, happy printing!